Good morning children. How are you all fine and safe? Yes. Okay. So today we are going to see about what subject? Science. Yes. Have you all doing regularly the reading practice? I told you to read in the morning and evening, right? Yes. Because you all you all having some problem in the reading practice. You are learning new words, many words you are learning now. So you have to need more practice. So if you read only, you can practice more. Okay? Okay, children. Okay, shall we go to the lesson now? Yes, we are going to see our science lesson. Now we are seeing which topic, which lesson? We are seeing our sixth lesson. What is the name of the sixth lesson? It is about importance of vitamins and minerals. It is about importance of vitamins and minerals. So in previous class we have discussed about vitamins, right? So in vitamins we'll be having 13 types, right? So in that two types of, we have categorized as two types, right? And then today's class we are going to discuss about minerals. Today's class we are going to discuss about minerals. So what are minerals and why we need minerals in our body, and what the food contains, what are the types of minerals. Shall we go to now? Yes. Okay, minerals. What is minerals? Mean calcium, iodine, phosphorus and iron are some of the minerals needed by our body. What are the minerals? Minerals means calcium, iodine, phosphorus and iron are some of the minerals that needed our body. So what the minerals will do? They strengthen the bones and help to maintain a normal heartbeat. They strengthens the bones and help our body to maintain a normal heartbeat. And also it helps to the growing of bones. It helps to grow the bones. So bones, health and strong, everything gets from the minerals. And the milk, meat, fish, eggs, fruits and vegetables are rich in source of minerals. So milk, meat, fish, egg, fruits and vegetables are rich source of minerals. So minerals means the calcium, iodine, phosphorus and iron are some of the minerals that needed by our body. So what it will do? It strengthens the bone and helps to maintain a normal heartbeat. In blood circulation, everything it will do. So it helps to grow bone growth. It helps for the bones growth. And milk, meat, fish, eggs, fruits and vegetables are rich source of minerals, and even it also rich in vitamins also. So here the minerals was classified into two categories, that is macro minerals and trace minerals. Macro minerals and trace minerals. So minerals are classified into two categories, that is macro minerals and trace minerals. So what is macro minerals? Why we need them? What it will do? So it needed by the body in large quantities. So macro minerals, our body needs a large quantities of macro minerals. So quantities as compared to trace minerals. So when compared to trace minerals, we need more quantities of macro minerals. So we have to find it. What are the foods we have macro minerals, and we have to eat more than trace minerals. Even trace minerals also we need our body, but comparatively we need more the macro minerals. So what are macro minerals? Calcium, magnesium, sodium and potassium are examples of macro minerals. So macro minerals needed our body in large quantities as compared to trace minerals. So what are the macro minerals means? Calcium, magnesium, sodium and potassium are examples of macro minerals. In calcium, magnesium, which food contains rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium, with this we have to find and we have to eat it. So that is macro minerals. Next, trace minerals. Trace minerals means it needed by the body in very small quantities. Trace minerals was needed by our body in very small quantities, that is iron, zinc, copper and iodine are examples of trace minerals. So iron, zinc, copper and iodine are examples of trace minerals. So minerals, that is minerals means what are they? Calcium, iodine, phosphorus and iron are some of the minerals that needed by our body. Why we need it? It helps to strengthen our bones and for the growth of the bones, and also helps to maintain a normal body weight. For that we need minerals. And in which food it contains minerals? Milk, meat, fish, egg, fruits and vegetables have rich source of minerals. And the minerals was classified into two categories, that is macro minerals and trace minerals. Macro minerals we need a large quantities to our body. This what are the calcium, magnesium, sodium and potassium are the examples of macro minerals. This we need more when compared to the trace minerals. So trace minerals means what are they? It needed a very small quantity to our body. Iron, zinc, copper and iodine are examples of trace minerals. So we'll discuss now what food contains calcium, potassium, phosphorus, iron, and then we'll see about the deficiency of minerals. Shall we go to it, children?
Yes, children, now we are going to see about the minerals. What are the food having? What are the types of minerals? So minerals means calcium, iodine, phosphorus and iron are minerals which are need to our body. So which food contains calcium, iron, iodine, potassium, magnesium? We'll see now. So can you able to see here? Yes. So the first, so the dairy products means such as milk, cheese or this are rich in calcium. You first will dairy products means you what comes in your mind? Chocolate. But first milk and cheese, these are all rich in calcium. So dairy products such as milk and cheese are rich in calcium. Then green leafy vegetables such as broccoli and spinach are rich in iron. So green leafy vegetables such as broccoli and spinach are rich in iron. Then salt. So iodized salt contains iodine. Iodized salt contains iodine. Then citrus fruits. So what are the citrus fruits? This we saw in vitamins also. So citrus fruits such as orange and lemon are rich in potassium. Orange and lemon are rich in potassium. Then fish is rich in iodine and magnesium. One more iodine is salt. Iodized salt contains iodine. This fish contains both iodine and magnesium. So the dairy products contains calcium. That is dairy products, milk and cheese are rich in calcium. Then green leafy vegetables such as broccoli and spinach are rich in iron. Then iodized salt contains iodine. Iodized salt contains iodine. Then citrus fruits such as orange and lemon are rich in potassium. Orange and lemon are rich in potassium. Then fish is rich in iodine and magnesium. Next we are going to see about deficiency of minerals. So deficiency of minerals. So this tabular column shows some list of important minerals and their sources, functions and deficiency disease. So minerals also assist in certain chemical reactions in our body. So cooking does not destroy them. So the food basically will contains chemical chemicals. That chemicals need to our body to do some chemical reactions in the body. So when we cook the food, that minerals will not destroy. Okay. So now first minerals is calcium. So what calcium, from where we can get the calcium? Milk and green leafy vegetables. Milk and green leafy vegetables. What it will do? It strengthens bone and teeth. Calcium is good for bone and teeth. So it strengthens the bones and feet and helps in clotting of blood. It means if we get any injury, any wound in our body, the blood gets leaked. So to stop that is if to clot the blood, these calcium is very useful. So if we have more calcium, the blood will not loss from our body. So the calcium it gives strengthens bones and teeth and helps in clotting of blood. Then deficiency diseases. If we don't have calcium enough in our body, what diseases will get? So osteoporosis. So a condition in which bones become weak and are easily broken. This is usually in adults, so grown up adults. So osteoporosis, a condition in which bones become weak and are easily broken, usually in adults. Then rickets in children. Then excessive bleeding. So the calcium, if we don't have calcium, what type of disease will get? Osteoporosis, that is a condition in which bones become weak and are easily broken, and rickets in children and excessive bleeding. So next, potassium. So what are things having potassium? Source of food: salt, bananas and citrus fruits. This have potassium. So it helps in maintaining body's water balance. Deficiency disease, dehydration. We don't have enough water, the body gets dehydrated. Dehydration. Then general weakness. Dehydration and general weakness. So we have to take potassium, salt, bananas and citrus fruits. Next, magnesium. So magnesium, green leafy vegetables, cereals, chicken and fish. This have magnesium. So green leafy vegetables, cereals, chicken and fish is having magnesium, and it helps to regulate the functioning of muscles and nerves. Regulate the functioning of muscles and nerves. What deficiency disease will get? Weak muscles and nerves. So calcium we get from milk and green leafy vegetables. It gives strengthens to bone and teeth and helps in clotting of blood. If we didn't eat deficiency disease, osteoporosis, a condition in which bones become weak and are easily broken. Rickets in children, excessive bleeding. Potassium, salt, bananas and citrus fruits. Magnesium, we have magnesium in green leafy vegetables, cereals, chicken and fish. It helps in regulating the functioning of muscles and nerves. Next minerals is iron. So which source contains iron? Cereals, pulses, meat and green leafy vegetables. So iron, what are the food contains iron? Cereals, pulses, meat and green leafy vegetables. This contains iron. So what it helps? It helps in the formation of hemoglobin and red blood cells. It helps in the formation of hemoglobin and red blood cells. Iron was the source of cereals, pulses, meat and green leafy vegetables. It helps in the formation of hemoglobin and red blood cells. Deficiency disease, it makes anemia, white nails, loss of weight. It makes anemia, white nails and loss of weight. So iron contains iron having cereals, pulses, meat and green leafy vegetables. This food have minerals, iron. Then it helps in the function, it helps in formation of hemoglobin and red blood cells. And deficiency disease, anemia, white nails and loss of weight. So you have to eat, we need iron more. And iodine which have fish and salt. Fish and salt have iron. Then it is required for the proper functioning of thyroid gland. So fish and salt need for the thyroid gland. So the iodine, that is fish and salt, it is required for the proper functioning of thyroid gland. Then if we didn't, deficiency disease, geotry, that is a condition that results in the swelling of the thyroid gland. So geotry, a condition that results in the swelling of the thyroid gland, condition of the thyroid gland. So this is about the minerals, sources, functions and deficiency. This is we have discussed about calcium, potassium, magnesium, iron and iodine. What are the food having these minerals and what function it will do, and what are the deficiency disease. Now we will discuss about the physical exercise.
Yes, children. So next we are going to see about physical exercise. Before we discussed about minerals, types of minerals, and what are the source, functioning and deficiency diseases of minerals we have discussed. Now we are going to see about physical exercise. What is physical exercise? We have to do exercise regularly, right? Are you all doing exercise regularly in the morning? Or you all wake up earlier in the morning? Yes, you have to wake up earlier in the morning and have to do exercise regularly. Then only you can stay healthy. Okay, we'll see now what are the benefits of physical exercise. And if we didn't do the physical exercise, what happens to our body? We'll see now. So physical exercise. So to maintain a healthy body, we need to do physical exercise regularly. So to maintain a healthy body, we have to do physical exercise regularly. Regular physical exercise makes our muscles strong and increases our stamina. So regular physical exercise makes our muscles strong and increases our stamina. They make our heart beat faster and improve the blood circulation of in our body. So they make our heart beat faster and improves the blood circulation in our body. So if we do exercise, if we have to maintain a healthy body, we have to do physical exercise regularly. Regular physical exercise improves our muscles strong and increases our stamina. They make our heart beat faster and improves the blood circulation in our body. So if we didn't do the exercise, there is a lack of exercise. The lack of exercise makes the muscles loose and flabby, and the person gains excess weight. So if you are gaining weight, if you didn't do the exercise properly, so the lack of exercise makes the muscles loose and flabby, and the person gains excess weight. So to avoid that, we have to walking, jogging, cycling and swimming or good exercise. We have to walking, jogging, swimming and cycling all good exercise. So playing outdoor games, also you can play outdoor games such as football, cricket and badminton is a very good form of physical exercise. So the lack of exercise makes our muscles body loose and flabby, and a person gains excess weight. So to avoid this, we have to do walking, jogging, swimming, cycling to stay healthy or good exercises. And also outdoor games, we can play outdoor games such as football, cricket and badminton is a very good form of physical exercise. So this is about the physical exercise. You all know about the physical exercise. You have to maintain, you want to stay healthy, you want to be strong, you have to do exercise regularly in the morning and in the evening. Okay children? Okay, this is about, this comes our lesson 8. We completed our 6th lesson, importance of vitamins and minerals. So you all, in this lesson you came to come to know about the why vitamins and minerals are important to our body, and from what are the food, what are the minerals and vitamins we are getting, how it helps to, what are the parts to our body. You all know about it, right? Okay children. Okay, and today's assignment and activities, you have to complete your class note by following the PDF file by this video, and you have to complete your worksheet 2 and worksheet 3 which is in the book. Okay children, that is your activity and your assignment. Complete it and have a reading practice regularly, and hereafter you have to do, at least from hereafter you have to do the physical exercise regularly in the morning and in the evening children.